What the fuck was that, Freddy?
What's up, you guys? It's Coyote 5.0 back in this thing. You know, we had to start the video off with a cold start real quick. I'll get that going. Okay, this ain't really a cold start. I started it earlier, but what we got an agenda for you guys today, we're gonna be going to the car wash, which people don't really care too much about that. And then we're gonna be doing showing y'all the new mod. Haven't really showed it. I talked about it on the last video. If you guys, I know a lot of people's gonna be mad, but I do got a announcement. I no longer have the Holly high ram, which I made it such a big deal. I'll let you guys know why. I don't want to show too much right now because that's not what this video is about. So we're gonna hop right into it. We're going to the car wash. I'm gonna do some like POV driving of what it sounds like with the exhaust wide open, the windows down. Hopefully it's not too much. And then I kind of want to show you guys the pops, what it sounds like. Hopefully you guys will be able to hear it, but I can feel it in this car, and how to do it, what two-step I'm using, etc. So we're gonna get into that later tonight. But like I said, we're gonna go get this stuff done. The car just got ceramic coated, so we're gonna go get that started. So here's kind of a POV for y'all. Some people probably wonder what it sounds like, but this is American long tubes, 1 7/8 catless X pipe and long tube headers. It is forgot the name of the mufflers right off the top of my head. It's a Valvetronic muffler, that's what it is. Okay, we're gonna get some driving for y'all, so I don't have to sit here and keep talking. I know y'all want to hear the sound of it. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but hopefully the wind isn't too bad either, but let's get it. Go for the first pop. So this is how we do it. We downshift. Here, let me show y'all the sound. Listen, right here. Okay, so you guys kind of heard it. It like popped. It like whop. I don't know. The two-step sounds wicked, but. Muffler, because they don't make anything for the 2014s, and if you're at where I'm at, which some people know, if you don't then you don't, but nobody's trying to get messed with by the police, and they will mess with you. So if you're loud, don't give them a reason to pull you over. Mind you, like some people know, closed, you can still kind of hear it, and then this is open. Okay, that was a flame. I did not try to do that. That's what I mean. I do it accidentally. Nighttime is going to be a lot better to see, y'all. But we're going to get going into the car wash video. We're heading to the car wash right now. I got to go get some wax. I don't know what that is, but we're going to go do that real quick, y'all. We are at the AutoZone. Don't mind my parking. I'm parking stupid. Dirty as shit. See all the spots and shit like that. Ooh, the grill go crazy. The new paint job though, I'm not gonna lie. Fatties in the back, you feel me? But we're gonna get the spray real fast. Gotta see what's poppin'. Thank you. Yup. Let's look for a spray real quick. Quick wax. That pop, these look slick. Beat the shit real fast. That'll work.